This Cattle Intel is brought to you by Neogen.
Hello, Dr. Nick Wagner here, professional services veterinarian with Neogen, and I'd like to discuss a few needle usage tips. When selecting a needle, you want to select a durable, sharp, and detectable needle. A few standard practices are to avoid contamination, avoid burred needles, avoid bent needles, and definitely change needles in order to prevent broken needles. When we look at changing needles, if you're dealing with any blood-borne pathogens within your herd, you need to change after every animal. And those would be diseases like Anaplasmosis or bovine leukosis. If you're not dealing with anything like that, then you can look at utilizing a needle for potentially 10 or 15 injections. But also another rule of thumb would be if you're using a multi-dose syringe to change the needle when you refill the syringe. So a couple guidelines there on that. The other important thing to consider is to keep records of treatments, and the other aspect is to ensure that your syringes are properly cleaned and properly calibrated. But if you do these things, along with selecting a needle with the proper gauge and length, it'll ensure safe and effective injections.
Thanks for watching Cattle Intel by Neogen.